Alright, so since it seems like a lot of people make videos about their childhood box fans, that's exactly what I'm going to do in this video. This is my childhood box fan. It's a 1969 General Electric W25. This fan has been in the family since it was new. There's actually two stories I've heard about where this fan came from. My grandmother, before she passed away, she used to say it came from she used to say it was a wedding gift to them, which does hold water because they were married in '69, so it's certainly possible. My grandfather says that it came from a military surplus store in Italy. I don't know which one is true. I probably never will. But either way, the earliest known evidence is a home video that was shot by my grandfather in 1971. It was my uncle's first birthday. And it shows my grandmother walking out of the kitchen with a cake in her hand and almost tripping over this fan, which was running in the doorway at the time. So, I've had it here in my... It was his beater fan for a long time, and now it's my restoration project. You can see I've already started sanding it, since it's gotten a little cleaner since last time you saw it. And it will be repainted. I'll also be getting a new cord because, yeah. But enough of that blathering. You probably all want to see this thing run. So we'll go ahead and start it on, actually, start on low. What am I not doing? Oh. Helps if you turn this on. There we go. There's low speed. Ow. There's medium. And headphone users, here's your warning. There's your spin down. I don't know what that clicking would be. It's always done that though. Now I'll get you to start up from the back. So that's my restoration project fan. Hope you all enjoyed it. Make some videos about some other fans in the house.